activity 2.1.5 by me and Aspen. Here's our social contract. Here's our table of contents. First, we have to find the problem. So the problem was we were instructed to look at the grids given to determine what's similar and different between them. After that, we need to make code to make paths for the start to end point. And down here are our requirements. Generate concept. So here we have grids 1 through 5, 6, 7, and 9, and 8. And you can see the paths that the bot will take. Instead of going one by one, all the way from 1 to 9, and making different paths, we just made paths that would work for obviously 1 through 5, 6, 7, 9, and 8. Develop solution. Here's our Gantt chart. So first 3 steps, we did day 1. Construct, we did 2 and 3, and evaluate and present day 4. Develop solution. How did we collaborate? We communicated by text on who would do which part of the code. We both did half of the presentation and would record independently. Here's our sketches. You can see code, you can see the paths, and some notes. Here's our Python. Here's the first half, here's the second. Construct and test. So here you can see this part of the code. Sets the rows and columns and dictates which grid pattern it is, then determines which path it will take. And then here you have the paths. So once it determines what grid it is, here you can see 1 through 6. That's supposed to say 1 through 5, but it's going to take this path, 6, 7, and 9, this path, and 8, this path. Evaluate solution. Dallas gave us a 9 out of 10, basically saying we should add borders around the images. Levi gave us a 10 out of 10. It was an awesome presentation. I would read just some more. He's just yapping. Quentin gave us a 9 out of 10. Presentation expresses the information that is needed, and for Rubik, I just feel that the text for construct and test needs to be larger. And then here is the rubric, and I graded myself. So here we have our grids. This is for grid 8, I believe. And so you can see if we go to playground, let it load. It's going to go to its starting spot and then put the pen down and then start taking its route. This is grid 6, 7, and 9, I believe. And if we click play, it's going to go to the same starting spot, but this time it's going to take a different course. Now lastly, we have grid 1 through 5. Click play. It's going to go to a new starting spot and take its course. Thanks for watching.